Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Super Videos, and in this video I bring a fantastic information for you. If you are using Android phone, then you must be having the Truecaller in your phone, but you have to turn off a setting from the Truecaller, otherwise it could be dangerous for you. First of all, let me show you what exactly I'm talking about, what kind of setting I'm talking about. Let me show you my Truecaller here. This is my Truecaller. If you see there, that's last seen is 4:32, and if I scroll it down a little bit more, then this one would be last seen would be 4:24 p.m. And in the same way, if I scroll it down a little bit more, that's a branch last seen now. That means just now the last scene was there. So people who have the Truecaller in their phone, they can come to know that at what time I'm online and at what time I was talking to someone. And this feature of Truecaller create a big problem with me. Day before yesterday, my boss called me up in the night at 8 o'clock and I did not pick up his call. The reason was I thought that he would be giving me some work to do in the night. I ignored him and I did not pick up his call. And next day when I went to the office, he asked me that why did you not pick up my call? I said I slept a little early. This is the reason I did not pick up the call. But at the same time, he gave me my resignation letter in my hand. The reason he told me that he showed his Truecaller and he showed me the screenshot at 8 o'clock I was online on my phone. That means I did not pick up his call intentionally. Because of this feature of Truecaller, I lost my job. So this can be happen with anyone. This can be happen with you as well. If your girlfriend is calling you or if your boss is calling you and you did not pick up the call, they can identify, they can find you on Truecaller with this setting. So I would suggest you that if you have the Truecaller in your phone, so immediately you should go ahead and turn off the setting, which I'm going to turn off in my phone right now. So to turn it off, what exactly you need to do, you have to click on these three dots which is on the left side of the top. Just click on that one and then click on setting, and in setting you have to just scroll it down, and then on the bottom there is an option of privacy setting. When you click on privacy setting, there is an option comes in availability. You see this one, this is on right now. Mostly whenever you download this application, it's automatically gets on every time. So just simply turn it off so that nobody can able to find out when you are online, and when you were talking to someone, nobody can able to see your last scene as well. So just turn it off and then you can start using this Truecaller. It's a very good application to use. Even I also use it, but the feature which create a problem for me, so I thought that I should discuss with you guys as well. So I hope you have turned it off, and I hope that you'll also like this information as well. If you have any questions about it, simply comment below and we will get back to you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.